It is time now for the PHL Weather Alert Blizzard Edition. 8 a.m. in the morning time. Good morning, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins. It's 8 in the morning time here, and we are in the heart of the Valentines Weekend Blizzard on this Sunday morning, February 15th, 2015 here. And here are the latest. The storm surge is 2 to 2.5. And the building waves, building seas, 20-inch waves will be mounted flooding on the north-facing shores. We are under a blizzard warning until 7 a.m. on Monday here. And here's the latest snow totals here. Stoneham, Massachusetts, 11.5 inches. Boston's Logan Airport, 10.2 inches here. It's got 7 inches since midnight. And they got 89.7 inches so far this winter. That's the third snowiest season on record in the city of Boston here. Sharon, 10 inches. Concord, Massachusetts, 11 inches. Wilmington, Massachusetts, 13 inches of snow. And a very poor visibility around the region here. And there will be no MBTA service for today. And parking lots on the T are off limits until 5 a.m. on Monday here. And we're going to take a look at the National Grid outage map here. And there's 132 customers in the dark with no power here so far this morning here. There are 69 of them up in Lynn, 8 of them up in Gloucester, and NSTAR's reporting 54 customers in the dark. And take a look at our latest traffic alert here, our traffic situation here at 8:02 here, and all the highways are slow going on the highways of New England here due to snowy conditions here. And down in Rhode Island here, we got an accident on 95 on the southbound side around before Route 37 works. So stay off the roads and stay comfy in the comforts of your own home here. As we're going to take a look at the weather map here, our current conditions here, it is 19 degrees out in Boston, 19 in Bedford, 18 in Beverly, 18 in Bedford, 19 in Norwood and in Boston, 20 out in Beverly and Naval, 22 in Gloucester, 19 in Fitchburg, 14 in Worcester, 14 in Sturbridge, 20 in Milford, 19 in Norwood, 21 in Taunton, 20 in New Bedford, it's 20 in Plymouth, it's 30 in Falmouth, 30 in Parmesan, 32 in Chatham, it's 23 in Martha's Vineyard, 26 in Nantucket, it's 21 in Block-On, 19 in Westlake, it's 19 in Smithfield, 17 in Hartford and New Haven here. It is 59 in New York City, 10 in Albany, 8 in Saratoga Springs, 17 in Springfield, 13 in Amherst, 16 in Greenfield, 7 in Pittsfield, 5 in North Adams, it's 5 in Bennington, 6 in Brattleboro, Vermont. It is 11 in Lebanon, 16 in Keene, New Hampshire, 13 in Jeff, New Hampshire, 18 in Nashua and Manchester and Concord and Laconia, New Hampshire, 20 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and 15 degrees out of Portland, Maine here. And checking out the wind. Currently in Dalton, it's 21 degrees with a humidity 88%, freezing fog with snow, wind speed northwest about 14 gusting at 22 miles per hour. The barometer 20 to 28 inches and 2 about 18 degrees of visibility a quarter mile and wind chill 8 degrees here. And it's snowing and blowing here in Norton at 8:04 here. As gusting up to 49 so far in Boston, gusting up to 30 in Marshfield, 49 out of Woodsole, 36 out in Martha's Vineyard, 37 miles per hour out in Chatham, 47 miles per hour out in Provincetown, 29 miles per hour out in Worcester, 38 miles per hour in Westerly, and 29 miles per hour out in Smithfield here, 32 miles per hour out in Beverly, and 28 miles per hour in Boston here. And I expect the winds to ramp up here in the morning here and all through the day here. As we're under a blizzard warning and remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday. Wind chill warning remains effective from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday. Locations: Eastern Interior Massachusetts here. And hazard types: blizzard conditions including heavy snow, poor visibilities, and strongly damaging winds and dangerously low wind chill values here. Snow accumulation about 8 to 12 inches and timing. Heavy snow will gradually move throughout the area early this morning, and the snow will become lighter late this morning and continue in the afternoon. And the worst condition with heavy snow and blizzard conditions will be this morning, but considerable blowing snow and very strong winds will continue in the evening. Impacts travel will become nearly impossible and potentially left further in this morning due to whiteout conditions and really cold wind chills, as conditions will remain dangerous for travel throughout this evening due to blowing and drifting snow. With visibly and dangerously cold wind chills, as power outages can be expected at some locations due to some very strong winds. Northwest winds gust 20 to 30 miles per gust up to 60 miles per hour, visibly 1/4 mile less at times here. And precautionary preparedness actions. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or frequent gusts up to 35 miles per hour expected with considerable falling and blowing and drifting snow. Travel must be completed by late Saturday afternoon. Those ventured outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so stay outdoors. A wind chill warning is issued when the wind chill index is likely to fall to 25 degrees below or colder for at least 3 hours. A wind chill index below 30 could bring about frostbite in as little as 10 minutes, and outdoor exposure should be limited. If you are headed outdoors, dress in layers and keep your hands and head covered with protecting against frostbite. Blizzard and very heavy snow continues this morning. Intense span of snow with snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour will continue across eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island at midday. Expect very low visibility and difficult travel conditions as this band moves through and untreated roads become dangerously quick. Winds will also increase and this band moves through. Expect significant blowing and drifting snow and to be a dangerous situation. Travel is not advised. Day 1 to 8 tonight, blizzard warning and wind chill warning, and day 2 for 7. Monday for Saturday, a wind chill warning here. Alright, 7-day forecast goes like this. For today, snow with widespread blowing snow before 2 p.m. Then a slight chance of snow between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. and widespread blowing snow after 3 p.m. 121 degrees and wind chill values as low as 3 below. Windy with a northwest wind about 20 to 29 miles per hour with a gust size 55 miles per hour. Just 100% total daytime snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches possible here. As we take a look at the latest radar situation here at 8:07 here. And it shows moderate to heavy bands of snow much of eastern Massachusetts and the Cape Peninsula here, all around here, and eastern and west central portions of Connecticut here, and snowing in central and west central portions of Massachusetts here, up in the southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, and up in the southern Maine here, and eastern portions of New York, and south central portions of New York here, as we take a look how it's going to play out here. So now, expect the snow to taper off from west to east beginning about 10 a.m. here, and it's going to move out of the South Shore by about noontime to 2 p.m. here, and the snow is going to end by about 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. time frame, but the winds are going to continue here. As for tonight, we're going to have some widespread blowing snow before 1 a.m. Then mostly got low at 5 below. Wind chill as low as 21 below. Plus, with a northwest wind about 15 to 24 miles per gust size, 47 miles per hour. For Washington's birthday. For Monday, sunny skies high about 50 degrees. Wind chill as low as 22 below. West wind about 10 to 14 miles per gust size, 28 miles per hour. For about that, mostly got low about 1 below. West wind about 3 to 8 miles per hour. For Tuesday, chance of snow after 4 p.m. Mostly sunny skies about 23 degrees. Cloud wind chance of precipitation is 30%. Tuesday, chance of snow, mostly skies got low about 10 above. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Wednesday, a chance of snow, mostly skies got about 20, low about 6. Chance of precipitation 35%. For Thursday, mostly skies got about 20. Thursday night, part skies got low about 1 below. Friday, skies got about 17, and a part skies on Friday night with a low around 1 above. And Saturday, a chance of snow, part skies about 27 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And that's going to be it for the period channel. Blizzard of 2000. That's going to be it for the period channel. Weather alert, Blizzard 2015 update, the Valentines Weekend Blizzard 2015 update. I'm Peter Wizzy. Have a good day and be safe. And I'll have updates for today. Have a good day and be safe out there with a good positive attitude. Have a good day.